Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Jonathan with Hotshot in America. Hey, today is the 20th of December. Pardon my hair, pardon my look, I apologize. Today's the 20th of December. I am in northwestern Tennessee, going to southern Kentucky to pick up a tractor for a customer of mine. And so this is the next to the last load I'm going to be hauling under this company. First of the year, I'm going to Arkansas Elite Welding Academy. I'll show you. See that? So it's the school I'm going to is not a participation program, guys. It's a rather private welding academy that if you don't meet their standards, then they send you packing. You know what I mean? It's kind of like a boot camp deal, to where if you can't cut it, you get cut. So I need your prayers, guys, because the hotshot industry is so up and down with the diesel prices and the rates. It's so inconsistent. If you don't have enough direct customers, guys, it's so hard to make it in this industry. You got to really manage your money. And so the money I've made in this with this company, I got enough put back to where I was able to pay for the school, which was $19,850. And if I can't make it through the school, then they write me a check, so I'll get my money back. That's one good thing. But good Lord willing, and I'm asking you to pray, God gives me strength to do this, because I need a consistent source of income, and welding is one of the best right now as far as money making. I just need y'all's prayers. I need the help of Jesus to help me through it, to give me everything I need to do His will. So guys, I'm going to pick up a tractor. Hopkinsville, Kentucky, San Antonio, Mississippi, 412 miles. It's paying, not 412 miles. It's 275 miles, I'm sorry. And it's paying $750. That's because he's a direct customer, a good customer. And so he's got another load after that over in London, Kentucky. It's a 400. That's the 400-mile one I was talking about. So that one's going to pay $3 a mile too. Excuse me. That one's going to pay the same $3 a mile, but it's going to come out to about $1,250 a mile. I mean $1,250. So there's the thing. So guys, pray for me, and I will see you on the next load this week. God bless you all. Happy Merry Christmas.